back to my channel. So today we're doing something a little crazy. I don't know if it's gonna look bad or good or if this is the worst decision ever, but we're gonna try it out. If you have seen this product, it is the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel. Basically what you do is you put it on your eyebrows and you leave it for like 20 minutes and then you peel it off, and it basically like stains your eyebrows. And I've used it in a previous video. You can check it out up here if you like. I used it as eyeliner, so I put it like very carefully on my eyes, and then I waited 20 minutes, I peeled it off, and then it was like stained eyeliner on my face for a couple days. But today I was like, oh, like what else can I possibly use this like stain for? I'm gonna try and use this Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel as lip liner. I don't know if that's a really bad idea. I don't know. When I do my lips every day, I usually take some bronzer and I run it underneath my lips here to give it a little bit of contour. And then, you know, I usually wear like some like pink blush color on my lips, but today we have dark brown, so I'm not really sure if that's gonna work. I've been putting off doing this video because it's just kind of like, what if it turns my lips brown? But we're wearing masks everywhere anyway, so I was like, okay, might as well try it out. And if it looks horrible, then you guys don't have to do it, but I'm gonna do it because I'm curious. I haven't decided if I'm gonna do like my whole lips or just like the lining them, so we might just see. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel because we out here running the broke girl's guide to the galaxy. So if you're broke and you want to look beautiful, and then you want to subscribe because this is the broke girl's guide to the galaxy, and here we are with some broke girl lip liner hacks. Okay, so basically the color unfortunately I have is dark brown. Uh-oh, this is not looking too good. This like little eyebrow brush thing, I'm going to attempt to line my lips with this. It says basically 20 minutes or overnight you're supposed to leave this thing on, so I'm not doing this overnight. So I'm just gonna take a little bit here. Ah! Oh my god, I'm scared. I feel like if you had darker skin tone this would work better. It also says like don't get it in your mouth. I don't know if I should just do my whole lip. What do you think? I also don't know how much I want to like overline it, you know? Because I don't want it to look like I'm eating some like poo-poo. Oh my god, it's good I don't have any plans this weekend. Well, people are gonna be like, what the hell is wrong with your face? Ah, should I do the top lip? I'm scared. I feel like bottom lip, it could be like, it's a shadow, you know? It's like just like a shadow. The top lip, like there's no hiding the top lip, girl. Oh, I'm really scared. Okay, let's just do it anyway. What do we have to lose? It's just gonna dye our skin for 3 days. Oh, someone save me, please. I feel like I should have just done the bottom lip. Okay, either I am a genius or I am really playing myself here. You know, I feel like faux freckles would have been a better place to start. I think the hardest part is like how it's not even. Oh god. When I was in elementary school, these girls used to bully me because I had mountain lips, and I didn't even know what that meant, but I was really upset by it. But now I can kind of see what they're saying. It looks like I have a mustache. Okay, you know what? This is the play. We're gonna wait 20 minutes and then we're gonna revisit the scenario, okay? I can't even take myself seriously. Like, I don't even know what I look like. I feel like maybe I look like one of those fish from like SpongeBob. My leg! Honestly, I couldn't get any better than this, so let's just leave it for 20 minutes and then we'll see the vibe, okay? We're gonna see the vibe. This is either gonna look really good or really bad. I'll see you in 20 minutes. Okay, so we're back and better than ever. It's been like 20 minutes, maybe like 25 minutes, and I'm gonna take off the situation here. Now, theoretically, you're supposed to peel it off, but I do not think that is gonna work for me here, so. Ooh, uh-oh. Oh, that was really easy to come off, actually. Ah, I'm scared of the top lip. Oh. To be honest, it like doesn't really look that good, but it also doesn't really look that bad. Top lip looks low-key bad though. Frick, I'm kind of scared that this is gonna be there for a long time. Oh my god. I feel like the bottom looks okay. I just put a little bit more on because I feel like I need to blend it, you know? I feel like it needs to blend in here. It literally looks like I have like tar on my mouth. I don't know about this whole situation, you guys. This is, oh. Honestly, my lips are not stinging, which is good. It doesn't taste like anything. Okay, so this is what they look like. They don't really look very cute, but I feel like if you had a darker set of lips and like a darker like liner situation, that might help you. I also wouldn't do the top lip. I would just do the bottom lip. Oh my god, this is actually not a good situation. Okay, I'm gonna try and do my lips regularly. Maybe that will help. Put some Vaseline on there. I take bronzer and a brush and I go underneath like this. I guess this is doing what the bronzer would do, honestly. It looks good on the bottom, just not the top. Then I take a brown eyeliner pencil, crazy, right? And I go underneath. Honestly, it's just doing the same job that the eyeliner pencil would, just not on the top. Top is not a vibe, everybody. Then I take this matte lipstick thing. This is like a really good brand that I would say is comparable to Kylie Jenner, but you can buy it at Shoppers Drug Mart, actually. It's like 10 bucks for a color. This is the color I use. It says The Bomb. That is the company, and the color I use is Committed. Sweetie, we ain't committed to no one. But basically, matte isn't really like in right now, but I just do like literally like a dot. I love this because it's not drying and it goes a long way. Blend that in a little bit, and then I take this lip liner pencil from Essence, Lost in Love, number 7, and I kind of just go over the eyebrow pencil. It doesn't sting, it doesn't hurt. It does create like a natural shadow if you just do it underneath your lower lip. If you're gonna do this, only do it on your lower lip. Don't do it on your top lip like me, because now you just look like a psycho. You can kind of see here, like on the bottom, it's like darker. We're just gonna throw in some gloss, I think. Maybe we'll try some clear gloss. This is what it looked like. Okay, so basically, if you have brown undertones in your skin and you have like a natural like dark line around your lips, and you usually outline them with like dark colors, like this is actually good. I would say be careful on your top lip. Definitely be careful on your top lip. Don't know how long this will last. Hopefully it won't last that long. I'm gonna scrub it off with some lip scrub, I think. And yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for some broke girl makeup hacks, and I test them out. I see what's good. I probably should have gone with the faux freckle vibe first before I tried lip liner. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. So if you like, please subscribe. Please like the video. I'm sorry this didn't really turn out as perfect as it could have, but the bottom lip was a vibe. The bottom lip was a vibe, okay? All right, bye guys. Thanks for watching.